You will need some roast beef, macaroni, a bowl of water, a spoon, egg rolls, mozzarella, or whatever cheese you want, and a deep fryer. Let's jump right into it. So let's get started. So I'm going to move this out the way, the bowl of water. And I'm going to open my bag of cheese. Now this meat right here is roast beef, and I made this the other night, and so I just decided to turn it into some egg rolls, and I also made this macaroni the same night. So all you want to do is take some cheese, not a lot of cheese, and just sprinkle it inside the meat. Now my stove is on simmer, so it's not going to like burn or whatever. And you don't need this like really melted. That's good enough. Now, the fun part. You want to take your egg roll, just one egg roll. And then you want to take some meat, a spoonful of meat, and place it onto the egg roll. Now, this is when you're going to add the extra cheese. Take the extra cheese, put whatever amount that you want on it. Take some peppers. And put it in the middle of the egg roll. I hope y'all can see this. Then you want to take one end, fold it in. Then you want to take the other end, fold it in. Then you want to take the other end, fold it in. And then this is when the water come into play. You want to take the water and just rub it on the top. And then fold. Now that's probably look kind of funny. This probably look kind of weird. But this is how I do my egg roll. As you can see, looks good. Now I'm just going to place that on the deep fryer rack, and I'm going to continue doing another one. Same steps. Take some meat, put it in the middle. I'm going to take macaroni this time and put it in the middle too. Take some cheese, place it in the middle, and then I'm going to roll one end, tuck, roll the other end, roll that end, wet the face, and roll again. Egg roll. Now I'm just going to fast forward this part because you don't need to see the repeated steps. Okay, so now all you want to do is take your egg rolls and drop it into the oil. And this how they should turn out. Looking good, looking good. Let me see if I can cut one open for y'all. They kind of hot. I don't know which one this is, but oh, clearly this is one with the good, don't it? I know. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all see the macaroni. Ooh, But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Until next time, peace out.